A good career opportunity in AWS certification. Cloud solutions have extraordinary demand in the market and which is going to be long-lasting according to the new trends. AWS is considered to be the market leader in cloud solutions. The fast image of the review on marketplace share for AWS indicates that there is an extra demand for AWS certifications. Before we discuss further AWS, let us know about the courses you can do from the KapilGuru platform. There is a course by Shalini Prega who is 8 years experienced. The course duration is 100 days and will be conducted on weekdays and weekends as well. Mock institutions that are having 12 years experience offer a course for 45 days during weekdays. There is another course by Learning Academy which is having 6 years experience. The course duration is 45 days, will be conducted on weekdays and weekends. First of all, let us discuss the concept of AWS and the causes which make it one of the most in-demand technology within the Indian market. Amazon Web Services AWS is the most comprehensive and widely used cloud platform in the world, with over 200 fully featured services available from data centers all around the world. AWS is used by millions of clients, including the fastest growing startups, largest corporations, and top government agencies, to reduce costs, improve agility, and accelerate innovation. One very good thing about AWS is it is very easy to use as it is designed to allow application providers, ISVs, and vendors to host quickly and securely all the applications including existing applications and a new SaaS-based application. AWS Management Console or well-documented web services APIs can be used to access AWS's application hosting platform. It is also flexible as we can use it to select the operating system, programming language, web application platform, database, and other services. It allows us to receive a virtual environment to load the software and services required. It is cost-effective as we need to pay only for the computer power, storage, and other resources we use. There are no long-term contracts or upfront commitments. With AWS, you get access to a scalable, reliable, and secure worldwide computing infrastructure that has been perfected over a decade as the virtual backbone of Amazon's multi-billion-dollar online business. Your application may scale up or down based on demand using AWS features, auto-scaling, and elastic load balancing. You have access to computation and storage resources when you need them, thanks to Amazon's vast infrastructure. To secure and fortify our infrastructure, AWS takes an end-to-end approach that includes physical, operational, and software measures. Goabibo, Hotstar, Netflix, Tata Motors and NDTV are some of the corporations in India and plenty of extra are currently using AWS. Kapil Towers, ISB Road. Financial District, Nanakremita. Telangana, India.